Yo, what is going on, guys? So, Tinder Gold, and do you want to know how to get free Tinder Gold? 1 month costs around $15 US, but I'm going to show you how to get a free 1 month on Tinder Gold, and it literally takes only a few minutes. So it's not going to make you a millionaire, but it is going to save you a little bit of money. And yeah, hopefully you won't need any more than 1 month, but if you do, you can just come back and repeat the method I'm going to be showing you. So this tutorial is super easy, but it can be confusing, so you ensure you watch every step and follow the instructions. You need to basically, guys, use your mobile phone and open up an internet browser and go to this website, guys, www.speedycoupons.com. Oops. So spell it like this, speedycoupons.com, and you need to go to this website, guys. So when you reach this page, it's pretty easy to find the Tinder one actually, but if for whatever reason you can't find it pretty quick, you can go to the search bar and just type in search Tinder, and it should pop up Tinder free gold upgrade coupons. So click on this and scroll down. You can see these coupons, there is a bunch left. And actually, there is not just gold. You can get plus and platinum. If you don't know what each one carries, you can Google it. But yeah, basically platinum is the best. But obviously everyone searches for gold. That's why I'm focusing on it in this video. You can also see this has been rated hundreds of times, and it's highly rated. So select the plan, the free upgrade you wish to receive. I'm just going to go for gold, so tap on this show coupon, and this is essentially a free Tinder promo code that when you redeem it in the app is going to upgrade your account, and in this case it will give me 1 month free Tinder Gold. And you can see here it says Tinder, and then it's sort of blocked out the last remaining sort of characters of the code. This is basically just to prevent robots from stealing all of the codes. So this ensures that each person can only get 1 code. So tap unlock code, and let's start the process of getting you a Tinder code. And now you're going to see this screen here, which is completely normal, so don't panic. Basically, guys, we need to just follow the instructions, and you can see here it says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, follow the unlock instructions. So essentially you can see I've got a list of tasks, and there is a description below each one on how you can complete it, and of course they're all completely free. So essentially, guys, we need to just complete 2 of these, and it says you will receive your Tinder codes once complete. Okay. So I know there's also a support function here, so if you need any help at any point, you can ask the support chat. So let's go ahead and complete 2 of these tasks. So this one says enter your email and complete the steps, so I'm going to click on this. And now I need to basically answer some quick questions and input a valid email address, because obviously it needs to be valid because it verifies me as a real person. So let me go ahead and complete 2 of these tasks, and then once I've completed these, I'll be back. Guys, so I've returned. That took me a few minutes. I'm not sure you saw which ones I chose, but I chose this one at the top, and then I also chose this one here. These are sort of like UK tasks, because as you can probably hear, I'm in the UK, but if you're in the US, you're going to get US ones, and you can get ones where it's like download and play games, but these are obviously surveys. But yeah, you're going to get a bunch of different tasks, and they're all completely free and easy to complete. So once you've fully completed 2 of them, hit your tabs button to bring up all of your tabs on your internet. And now if you've done everything correctly and you've completed 2, you should see this new tab that says Tinder coupon codes, and when you open it up, it has my code. So it's formatted a little bit strange, but this, guys, is my free 1 month Tinder code. So I can literally redeem this in the Tinder app or in the website, and it's going to basically upgrade my account to a 1 month Tinder Gold, and then when that 1 month runs out, I can come back and repeat the process. So you need to get your own code, guys. Go to speedycoupons.com, and yeah, I believe that is pretty easy. It takes around 5 minutes, and it's going to save you a little bit of money. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. Go ahead and hit that like button if you got your free Tinder Gold, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.